The worst DM that I ever used was done by me when I thought that it was super smart. And this is really the worst things that I was ever doing. It's better if you write a DM that is like unprofessional than you write something that you think is really smart, but the prospects, when they get it, they're like, what is that? Like he's trying to fish me on something. That's the worst DM. And sometimes people even reply to you and say, ooh, that's really smart. That's how did you do that? But guess what? The people that you send very smart DMs to, they either don't reply, or those that do reply never move forward. I don't know how does it work. I don't know why it does it work. But when I was trying to write a DM something like, hey, something, we have this cool list, do you want me to send it to you? And they're like, yeah. And you're like, yeah, sure, I will send it to you, but once you go on the call with me. That kind of DMs, that kind of logic never really worked for me, and I don't advise you to do the same thing. Don't make my mistakes. Better write something super simple, super smart, oh my god, super simple, and about results. For example, hey John, we work with your competitor, they make X dollars, or they made X% in increase in revenue with us. Do you want to talk? That's it. That's the easiest. That's gonna be actually the smart thing. If you try to sophisticate it somehow, like, hey John, what would if we did this thing with you that we did with your competitor? Blah, blah, blah. No, this doesn't work. In Web3 at least, in Telegram at least, people don't have time for all of this. Blah blah blah. Just simple sentences to people. Attention spam is a real thing. You need to get your simple message delivered to the people for them to say yes, no. If they say yes, yes should be yes, let's book a call. Boom. That's it. If you make people think, that's gonna be like this. You make your message like this, and you make your life harder like this. So don't do that if you want to get a lot of replies, be successful in business. Maybe it works in your case. I don't know. If it does work in your case, comments are there. Tell us how you do it, because otherwise I will think that I won't believe you. So see you guys. It was a lot of work for me in this month. So check out what's happening inside of the Web3 Sales Gym. There is a YouTube Telegram channel below. Also smash a like button on this video, and there's a lot of videos on the channel that have a lot of value in them. This one is kind of like a filler video that I wanted to make, that you guys still keep watching the channel. And you see, I'm trying a new format when I'm sharing a little bit of more stories. I feel it's not there yet, but I will find a good format, and you will hear some of the best stories that you have ever heard on the Web3 or on the market on this channel soon. So if you're excited about that, sign up, subscribe, and I'm gonna be there. See you guys.